This is Wednesday, September 5th, 2018, and we're looking at the price charts of Bitshares in this video. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future updates. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not trading advice. Rather, this is my own trading journal so that I can look back to see how well I was trading my trading system. Before we do the assessment, I'd like to invite you to join me over on digitalcurrencytraders.com, where you can join up and learn about cryptocurrency trading for free. And now back to the charts. So we can see Bitshares made a big drop here, just like most of all the other currencies, as Bitcoin cracked off its top here at about 5 o'clock this morning. Before we zoom back out and take a look at this market and determine what it's saying right now for the future, let's take a look at what I was saying about this market last week. Prices of Bitshares came down and made a bottom on the 13th and 14th of August, as many of the cryptocurrencies have, and now they're making that telltale 1, 2, 3 bottom formation, and the potential for this market to take off and do more. If we zoom into the 4-hour bars, now we're looking at these bottoms, and we're seeing a nice triangle formation. We're seeing the moving averages come very close together and almost crossing over in this time frame, at the same time that Bitcoin bottomed out and has shown strength out of this time frame. Really interesting, and since Bitshares is one of the most active blockchains that we have going in the cryptocurrency space, this really could be a fantastic opportunity to be looking at this market. Now let's take a longer term perspective, look at the 1 week bars, and it's still a significant drop out of a top formation here. Zoom back out to the 1 month, and we're actually seeing that prices are threatening old lows in this time frame. The moving average crossed and crossed again, so it's a difficult time frame to be using the moving average crossover as an indicator to get in and out. You get whipsawed a lot. But on the 3-month view, we're seeing that it's retesting these lows and the moving averages still haven't crossed over. So there was no buy signal in this market yet. Even though it was looking tempting, it was actually a fake out breakout and prices have plummeted down pretty significantly. If we look in the longer term views, we're still holding at these old historical levels, and definitely worth watching and keeping an eye on this market. Hopefully this is a quick sharp drop down and a retest of recent lows. But if prices do break below these levels, then we're watching for a new 1, 2, 3 bottom formation to shape up. If you're interested in learning and starting out with cryptocurrencies, I'd recommend that you go to IntroToCryptos.ca and sign up for our 3 free training series. You can see what other people have said about the training courses. And if these 3 training courses are good for you and you want some more, then we have the digital currency trading course and community, where you get much more detailed access to my trading journals.